Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you the exact process of how to create Klarna one-time card. So make sure you watch till the very end because this is actually very easy. First up, what you need to do is head over to any store that supports Klarna, and then you need to select your order, like the products that you want to buy. After that, you're going to head over to the payment option. Finally, when it asks you how you'd like to pay for that particular product, you're going to click on pay with Klarna, and then you're going to choose the Klarna's one-time card, which is something like this. So you're going to click on create a one-time card, from which it will ask you to put in more details, like how do you want the card price to be, how many times do you want to pay it, that kind of things. So just fill out this information and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, take care.